Hey everyone, today I am going to unbox the reflective mailbox stickers for you. So what you can use these for, the name mailbox stickers. So if you have a problem with everybody running into your mailbox, this is probably a really great solution for you. The stickers are reflective, so they're really easy to see at night and they're pretty big. So I just measured them. They're about 3 inches tall. And actually, just to give you a sense for what that really looks like, if you put a mouse up to it, it's about the size of a computer mouse. So you see that there. The good thing about these stickers, first, it comes in a pack like this and it has instructions. It also has like a little scraper thing that you can use to help with the installation process. The stickers themselves are all pre-cut, so you can just separate the ones that you want and you can line them up so that you don't have to adjust them. You just line them up one after the other so you'll have a nice straight line for the numbers that you want to use. And the good thing about reflective stickers like this is that, yes, they are meant for mailboxes, but you can use them on just about anything. So I plan to use mine actually on my children's toys that they always tend to leave all over the neighborhood. So I can either put my phone number on it so that somebody can call, or the house number so that somebody knows who it belongs to. The other thing I plan to use mine for is garbage cans. So because everybody has garbage cans that look very similar, it's a pretty common occurrence around here where our garbage can will end up at our neighbor's house or vice versa. So my plan is to use these stickers on my garbage can so that I know which one's mine when I pull them back to the house. So I want to show you how easy it is to install these stickers. So why don't we get down to the garage, and I will show you how to put them on the garbage cans. So I'm in the garage, I've got my garbage cans lined up, and the first thing that I want to do is just clean off this section where I want to put the numbers. So I've already used just like a Clorox wipe, but really you could use just soap and water if you want. It's not that important, but I cleaned a spot on each one where I wanted to put it. And then before I actually apply the stickers, I want to use just regular rubbing alcohol. I brought a couple cotton balls here, and I'm just gonna wipe down the section where I want to put the sticker. And what the rubbing alcohol does is it just makes sure that each little spot where I want to put a sticker is as clean as possible. It removes any kind of residue that might be, in my case, on my garbage cans, or if you were going to apply it to a mailbox, you'd do the same thing there as well. So now I just wait until it dries, and then I can go ahead and start applying. So in the package that I received, I got this little scraper, and what I want to do is just scrape the front of whichever numbers I want to use. And so what that does is it just helps the numbers stick to the transfer tape so that when I go to apply them, the numbers that I want are on the transfer tape and they apply a little bit more easily. So when I'm done with this, I'm going to use the masking tape that, again, they give me in the kit, and I will just line the numbers up on the garbage can with the masking tape so they're nice and straight, and then we'll get going. All right, so now I have my numbers lined up where I want to go, and all I need to do is pull the backing off of each one of the numbers. So I just gently lift it from the bottom, I pull down on the tab, and the back comes right off. And I use my scraper, again included in the pack, to just gently scrape the number onto the surface where I want it to apply. So there's my 4, and I do the same thing with my 0 on all of my cans, and that's all there is to do. So when I am done, I'll just pull the number down, and the 4 is on my can. And the reason why I love this for anything that needs to be outside is these numbers can go through any weather, severe heat, which we have here, and it's also very cold right now. I think it's in the 20s, which is why I'm in my garage and not outside. So these are great. Not only can you use them, on your mailbox, you can use them on your garbage can. You could put them wherever you want. Some people have those decorative stones. these would work well on those, and they're also reflective. So especially for a mailbox, it's always great. So what I'll do is I'll put these on all my cans. I'll take them out tonight and you can see what they look like. We're outside, it's at night, so it's dark outside, and you can see I just have a flashlight here to show how the reflection on the engineer grade reflective vinyl really lights up. So if you had this on your mailbox, it would be really easy to see. Right now I just have it on my garbage cans, but that is what they look like, and I hope you enjoy.